Hello everyone, I'm Dom Grow, and in today's tutorial for Grow's Place we're going to make a fake access point or else honeycomb with Kali Linux. For this tutorial we're going to need Airbase NG, a DHCP server, Ethercap and SSL strip. Airbase NG is a multi-purpose tool aimed at attacking clients as opposed to the access point itself. And the dynamic host configuration protocol, or DHCP, is a network protocol used to configure devices that are connected to a network so they can communicate on that network using the Internet Protocol, IP. The protocol is implemented in a client-server model in which DHCP clients request configuration data such as an IP address, a default route, and one or more DNS server addresses from a DHCP server. The problem is that Kali Linux doesn't come with DHCP server, so we now have to install it. So for this job we open a terminal box and and we hit apt get install DHCP3 server and hit enter. And now we're installing DHCP server in version 3, of course. So let's continue. SSL strip uses SSL stripping, which is a man-in-the-middle attack in which a network attacker could prevent a web browser from upgrading to an SSL connection, security connection, in a subtle way that would likely to go unnoticed by the user. And at last, Ethercap is a free and open source network security tool for man-in-the-middle attacks on LAN. It can be used for computer network protocol analysis and security auditing. So this is the four basically wanted programs, but we're only going to need them installed because we have made here a script that automates this attack completely. To run the script after the DHCP installation, we have to right click on it, go to properties, and in permissions tab go and check the box that says allow executing file as program to allow us execute it. So we hit close, and when the DHCP server installation finishes, we are ready to launch our script that uses these four programs that we already said and make a fake access point. Also, for this tutorial we're going to need some hardware, which is the alpha network card that we used in my previous tutorial, or another Wi-Fi card with monitor mode capabilities. If you want to know what monitor mode capabilities is, head to my last tutorial, or I'm going to write it down in the description. So let's wait for the DHCP server installation. So now that the DHCP server installation have finished, first of all we have to see with the ifconfig command with which interface we want to work. So we are connected to internet with ETH0 interface, and we want to make our fake access point in WLAN 0 interface. In your computer may this be different, so just check ifconfig command. So we go to the terminal and just hit clear, and now we hit bash, we type bus root desktop fake access point .sh. And now the script have started, and it asks us for the network gateway IP address. The IP gateway is the IP address of the router, or in our case of the fake access point. So I want to type 192.168.1.1. You can type something else if you want. And now it asks for the interface that we are connected to the internet, and as we saw earlier, in my computer is ETH0. And now for the interface for our fake access point will use. In my computer is WLAN0. And now the SSID, or the name of our fake access point. I want to type 3. So now the script has put our network card in monitor mode, and now it asks if we want the Airbase NG configuration to add some switches. We don't want, so we hit N and enter. Here the Airbase NG have started. Now the DHCP server have started. The SSL strip program have started also, and now it asks for Ethercap to run with plugins or filters if we want. We don't want, so we hit again N and enter. The Ethercap here also have started. As you see, everything goes automatically with this script. And now it asks if we want to start DriftNet to capture the victim's images. We don't want it because it will make our network slower. So we hit N, and this is the SSL strip log that the passwords and usernames are going to give to us. So here we are in the victim's machine, and now we just go to settings, and in Wi-Fi panel we connect to the free access point that we made. Now you see we obtain the IP address, and we are now connected. So we go out of Wi-Fi panel and we head to a browser. In this browser we just go to a new Facebook page. So we hit facebook.com, enter, and now here we see the username and password field. So in username field we just type crossplace@gmail.com, and in password field we're going to type hello world. So now we hit login, and now let's go to our attacker's machine. So here we are again in the attacker's machine, and as you see we have many of output here. Here in SSL strip, as you see, has done his job. It stripped all the HTTP output, and it have done, as you see here, we can see the email and the password that we typed earlier in Facebook page. But if we go to Ethercap, it gives us in plain text. So here as user we see crossplace as we typed it in the username field in Facebook web page, and here the password that we typed hello world as we typed it in Facebook page. It shows here that something went wrong with the IP gateway that we gave, but no matter but that because the script have done his job. The SSL have stripped every HTML request, and here with Ethercap we have sniffed all the username and passwords that we typed in our Android device. So as you see, there is no matter what is the client that connects, we can strip every SSL request and we can take every username and password with this fake access point. So be cautious and never connect to a free access point. In a future video we are going to see methods to be safe from these attacks, from free and fake access points, and from honeycombs. But until then, stay safe and never connect to free access points. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Goodbye.